Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a special word called agent. Words are amazing tools. They help us talk and share ideas. Let's explore one important word together. An agent is someone or something that does an action. Think of an agent as a doer. Agents make things happen. Agents do actions. They move, work, and create. Without agents, nothing would happen in our world. People are agents. When you walk, talk, or play, you are an agent. Every person who does something is an agent. Animals are also agents. A dog running in the park is an agent. A bird flying in the sky is an agent. Animals do actions too. Machines can be agents as well. A robot working in a factory is an agent. A car driving on the road is an agent. Machines do things for us. Agents take action. They run, jump, build, and create. Every action needs an agent to make it happen. In stories, we find many agents. The hero who saves the day is an agent. The character who solves problems is an agent. Stories need agents to move forward. Agents help others. A nurse caring for patients is an agent. A firefighter saving lives is an agent. Helping is an important action. What is the difference between an agent and an object? An agent does the action. An object receives the action. A person pushing a box is the agent. The box is the object. Agents are active. They have energy and power to do things. They make choices and take steps. Nature has agents too. Bees pollinating flowers are agents. Birds building nests are agents. Nature is full of action. At work, we see many agents. Workers building houses are agents. People typing on computers are agents. Work happens because of agents. In school, teachers and students are agents. Teachers teach lessons. Students learn and ask questions. Learning needs agents. In sports, players are agents. A soccer player kicking the ball is an agent. A swimmer racing in the pool is an agent. Sports are full of active agents. Technology gives us new agents. Smartphones help us communicate. Drones fly and take pictures. Technology creates modern agents. Movies show us exciting agents. Superheroes fighting villains are agents. Detectives solving mysteries are agents. Movies need agents to tell stories. Agents make things happen. When you push a button, you are the agent. When you start something, you are making change. Agents talk and communicate. When people have conversations, they are agents. Speaking is an action that agents do. Agents make music. Musicians playing instruments are agents. Singers performing songs are agents. Music comes from agents. Agents create art. Painters making beautiful pictures are agents. Sculptors shaping clay are agents. Art needs agents to exist. Agents cook delicious food. Chefs preparing meals are agents. Cooking is an action that feeds people. Agents travel and explore. Travelers visiting new places are agents. Moving from one place to another is an action. Agents protect nature. People planting trees are agents. Those cleaning rivers are agents. Protecting our planet needs agents. Agents can be many things. They can be people, animals, machines, or even natural forces. All agents share one thing: they do actions. Agents are important. Without agents, nothing would happen. Our world needs agents to grow, change, and improve. Keep learning with Wordscience. We make learning fun and easy. Explore more words with us. Thank you for watching today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning about agents. Subscribe to Wordscience for more exciting lessons. Join our learning family today. See you next time. Keep learning and keep growing.